So can we just take a moment to talk about the Chrysler Gen 3 Hemis, specifically the 2009 newer MDS equipped models, why they don't seem to want to survive past 100,000 miles. Granted, this is only my personal experience with my Grand Cherokees. But my last one was a 2012 with a 5.7 that started ticking around 114,000 miles. I was able to get rid of that before anything major happened. And then I ended up with this one, 2014 SRT, that I picked up for at 89,000 miles, now at 102,000 miles, and it's got lifter failure. It's ticking like a sewing machine. I've got misfires on 5 out of the 8 cylinders. I cannot drive this vehicle. The motor needs to be fully rebuilt. And whether it's the lifters themselves that are failing or the hardening on the cam lobes are not up to par, whatever it is, these things are just not lasting long enough, and 100,000 miles is unacceptable for the life cycle